Hi, Wayne Dorband here with our series of frequently asked questions about the Environmental Professionals Network. And this is our 10th in this series. Today's question is, how can Environmental Professionals Network make me or my company more money? Great question. I think if you've listened to any of our other videos, the theme should be pretty clear. We want sustainability in the environmental industry, which means there has to be profit, we have to make people better, and we have to make the planet better. So making more money, that's profitability, obviously. I'm going to give two examples of ways in which EPN, the Environmental Professionals Network, can help you make more money or your company make more money. And one way is reducing costs. Through our networking process, our virtual job sharing, we're going to make available to you as an independent consultant or a contractor, a small operation, an independent business, or a large company, opportunities to have staff, to have professionals that are members of your team that are greatly less expensive than what you're spending right now, what you're paying right now. And it's not that you're going to pay them less money. They're actually going to make as much. The reality is they don't have to be full-time employees. They're going to be able to be independent contractors working for you as you need them on projects, virtually available to you for 10 hours here, 100 hours here, a month here, a year here on a project. And when they're done with that, they're going to be doing other things. Also, maybe they're working for you 2 hours a day on this project and they're working with somebody else for 4 hours on another project, and they're working for somebody else for 4 hours on a third. Right now, you probably don't have that capability. We're going to provide you the ability to do that. That's going to save you money. You understand the metrics of the way you have to bill for employees, and you have to bill for them on a basis of a full-time employment circumstance. We're going to give you the opportunity to look at it very differently and save tremendously. We think that this could be as much as a 50% savings on your costs of your staff, which is by far the biggest part of your business. The second way that we're going to help make you more money is by broadening your extent of projects which you can go after, by partnering. Through the membership that we have, through the other members of EPN, you're going to find out about projects you otherwise wouldn't even know about, or if you did know about them, you wouldn't think you could participate in them. You're going to have the opportunity to partner with other firms that have capabilities that are different than yours to pursue opportunities that you wouldn't otherwise get. And along with that, we're going to do automated sales and marketing for you. I almost guarantee you don't like to sell. You wouldn't be watching this video. You wouldn't be involved in the environmental professional area if you were a salesperson. So we're going to give you automated techniques to sell and market your services. So we're going to save you money, and we're going to make you money. If you've enjoyed this video that you just watched regarding the Environmental Professionals Network, we've got a great gift for you. If you'll just fill in your email address and first name here on the page, we'll send you a compilation of over 20 of these videos that we've done addressing frequently and should ask questions. There's so much information here. We know you're going to greatly enjoy it. They're all compiled. You don't have to go to any extra effort. Again, just leave us your email address and first name, and we'll get those right out for you. We've also got another little bonus for you too.